Morning, my dear friends. Welcome to Max Time once again. This is Bhargava. Today we are going to discuss about arithmetic progression problems. So in arithmetic progressions, we will be having only majority of two formulas. One is to find the nth term and to find the sum of n terms. So and we will be having sum of n terms again will be classified into two types if you doesn't know the last sum and if you know the last term. But we'll be having a wide range of problems in arithmetic progressions to be solved. Let's see a few problems which we'll be doing it. So the problem is in such a manner. The ninth term of an arithmetic progression is equal to 6 times its second term. And if its fifth term is 22, find the arithmetic progression. So first we have to decode what they have given in the question. So they have given the ninth term is equal to 6 times the second term. So based on this thing, I can write that A9 is equal to 6 times means multiplication. I'll be writing it as 6 times A2. So here we are having a formula, my dear students. What is that? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So based on this condition, A9 means what we can write A plus 9 minus 1 into D, that is equal to A plus 8D. So now I'll be writing A9 is equal to what? I'll be writing it as A plus 8D, that is equal to 6 times 6. I'll be writing as this here. And A2 means I can write it as A plus D. I can write 9 becomes 8, 2 becomes 1. So if I simplify this one, I can write this one as A plus 8D is equal to 6A plus 6D. Now if I try to bring everything one side, what will be happening here? 0 is equal to 6A plus 6D minus A minus 8D. 6A minus A will become 5A and 6D minus 8D will become minus 2D. So now we got that 5A minus 2D is equal to 0. Let us consider this is equation 1. Next, what they've given that fifth term is 22. So they've given that A5 is equal to 22 they're given. So in the same manner, A5 value will be how much? A plus 4D they have given it as 22. And this one let us consider it as equation 2. Now the problem from arithmetic progression, it has been converted into linear equation, two variables. We are very aware of that. 5A minus 2D is equal to 0 and A plus 4D is equal to 22. It is in the linear equation two variable. We'll be solving it in such a manner. So from if I do elimination method, what I'll be getting this one? 5A is equal to 2D. A is equal to 2D by 5. Sorry for this. 2D by 5 I'll be getting. So in the place of A, I can substitute it as 2D plus 5 plus 4D is equal to 22. Why? Because I got A value is equal to 2D plus 5. I'm doing substitution method. This value I'm substituting in the equation 2. Now if I take LCM, what I'll be getting? 2D plus 5 into 4D by 5 is equal to 22. Then what I get is 2D plus 20D is equal to 22 into 5. So what can I write it here? 22D is equal to, I can write it as 22 5s are 110. Now what can I write it here? D is equal to 110 by 22. 11 2s are 11 10s are 2 1s are 2 5s are. I got D value is equal to 5. Substitute this D value in any equation. So always make sure that you go with the simple equations. So I'll be substituting in equation 1. What I'll be getting it here? 5a minus 2d is equal to 0 and d value is 5. 5a minus 2 into 5 is equal to 0. I get 5a minus 10 is equal to 0 and that means 5a is equal to 10. A value will be 10 by 5, that is equal to a value is equal to 2. So I got the first term and common difference. And what they're asking us to find, they're asking us to find the arithmetic progression. So now I can find the arithmetic progression. So what is the arithmetic progression here, my dear students? The general form of an arithmetic progression is a plus d, and a plus 2d. So we can write it as 2 plus 5, and 2 plus 2 into 5. So what can we write it here? We can write it as 2, 7, and 12, and so on. So this is our arithmetic progression, my dear students. I hope you understood this question, and we'll meet in the another question in another video. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot.